Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to use old iPhones without home button or if your home button is not working. So what you have to do, you have to few times click this power button to get access of your password. Now I have a few options here: slide to power off, emergency SOS, and cancel. I will select cancel. Now my password, and now I will go to settings. My setting is already opened, so what I will go to general settings. I will look for accessibility, and here accessibility is here. Now I have there are many options. I will look for assistive touch, and assistive touch here. Now I will turn on this option, assistive touch. As I will turn on, you will see the at your bottom that touch home button. I will double tap it to turn off this screen, and see this, it's working guys. So now let's see, turn off this phone and try to open again, and you can see the button here, home button here. Click that button, tap this button. See guys, again asking for password, and your home button is here. Okay, so see guys, it's working. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.